Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. This tutorial is about Mailchimp. If you're a beginner and you want to set up Mailchimp for your business or for your website, and this tutorial is for you. So like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. For Mailchimp, we will go through step by step. And so this is our dashboard here. In the main dashboard, we have quick action. If you want to create an email, if you want to import, if you already have a contact email list of your clients, of your customers, then you can import your contacts directly from the home tabs, from import contacts, and create a automation. If you want to create automation for the newsletter, any e-commerce, WooCommerce, and we will cover later on. So then we have click rate and orders. If you have a WooCommerce, how many orders you have, order rate, and revenue. If you have set up your Mailchimp with WooCommerce, then you will see all these options here. Okay, so first we will go to create section in the Mailchimp. First of all, make sure you already set up your Mailchimp account. After you create your account, you will see your account home section, and the left side you have some features like campaigns, automation, audience, and website, content integration. All these are tabs. Let me close. All these tabs are left side. If you want to create campaign, definitely you have to go to campaign section where you will see all your campaigns. If you have running campaigns, you will see here. Even you will able to see analytics here, how many clicks you get, how many visit, how many sign up, as this is my landing page sign up page for newsletter. So I have different campaigns here. Some of campaigns I create for my clients, some of in the campaign section, you will see view analytics. When you click on view analytics, it will bring you to analytics section. Let me cancel this one. And here, this is our analytics area. Okay, as this is a demo data, you are using sample data. Use Mailchimp sample data to explore marketing dashboard. You can see here, and you will have all the analytics information in analytic or marketing tab. If you go to report section, you will find out all the reports about the campaigns, every overall campaigns you're running, and every campaign how it going on. And even you can check by type. If you have SMS, email campaign, or automation, just you have to click and check that particular campaign, if how it running. Okay, so let's go ahead by creating any new campaign. Let me click on create, and then you have options what type of campaign you want to create. You have an email, you have an automation. If you want to create automation for any e-commerce or any business automation. Automation is actually when someone subscribe your newsletter. In the automation, they just to get automate email from your business, and you can set pre-built emails in the automation section and set the rules for those emails. And if someone going to subscribe this particular section or particular product, then they will receive the pre-built emails from us. Then we have a website where you can build website, create a free website with all the tools need to market your business. Then we have a landing page. If you need landing page, separate landing page, for the newsletter, because some people, they don't have a website, but they want to collect emails or start a newsletter, and this will help you to create a landing page for that. For the landing page, you just have to put the name of landing page, and you can select your audience. In the audience tab we will go to later on, I will explain about audience tab as well. Then we have a creative assistance. You can use their AI powered creative assistant to quickly generate style graphic for your marketing campaigns. Okay, this might helpful for you. Then we have new sign up form. If you need sign up form for your website, we have a embed form. Embed form, you have to name your form. Let me give any name, just click begin. And here, as you can see, this is our sign up form. And then you have a form field. If you want to enable first name, you can enable first name as well. Okay, then go back. If you need setting, form title will be subscribe, but you can change form title, subscribe us, like that, anything. And you can set your width of this particular form. Okay, let me go with 800. As you can see, we have a more width here. I will recommend 500 to 600. I think that's enough. Depends on your website, the width you set there. Okay. Then if you want to remove CSS style, you can, but I will not recommend. If you want to design something nice, you can just keep disable this one. Then you have an option to show format option. You will allow your subscriber to choose the email for email formats, and show archive link. Okay, so we are not going to show all these options, and click on. Let me go back from the setting, and then you have a tag. You can set when someone get response to this form, any tag you choose here. For example, you can choose here your marketing, like high engagement, medium engagement, and or your particular website name tags. You can choose particular tags, and you can also track your particular tags in the analytics, which one tag is going good. After you provide tags, and go ahead, click on continue. And here is the embed form code which you need to add in your website. But if you're using WordPress, you can use Mailchimp plugin to skip these options. Just you need to connect with your Mailchimp account. But if you're using any other platform or any other website, HTML website, or any other page builder, you can just to go ahead, copy this HTML code, and make sure you copy all the code, copy code, go to your website. For example, I want to add this form within my own WordPress website. I'm using Elementor, and this will be easy for me to put this HTML code anywhere into my website. Let me go ahead to my website. So this is my website here. This is the dashboard. Okay, so let me go ahead to any page. Okay, now I'm going to edit about page. In the about page, let me edit with Elementor. Now I need to add that particular HTML code anywhere in the page. For example, I want to show my newsletter here downside. In the elements, I will search for HTML. Just drag HTML to the place where you want to add newsletter. Okay, before you add, you can add one heading, name newsletter, subscribe our newsletter, something nice lines. Okay, then go ahead, copy the code, and I will come back to my website, and you will see HTML code, the box here. Just to paste your code. As you can see, we have now code. Okay, but if this looks smaller, you have two options. Either you can display the text here other side, but if you want to make it more bigger, like increase the pixel or length horizontally, then go back to your form, go back to edit, go to settings section. In the width, just increase your width, increase the width, for example 800. Let me go ahead, continue again, and copy the code again. Let me paste my code again. Just I copy all, I delete once, I paste again. And now you can see we have a good width of newsletter form. But you can adjust this if you're using Elementor. Just right click, edit at Gmail, go to advanced section. In the advanced section, you can select the width with custom, like that. Or you have an option to go with margin or padding. You want to add padding in the right side. In the margin, yeah. Or you can try align self to align this center. This will be more easier. Just click on align self to center, and you can see now looks good. Okay, let's go to next option what we have. So this was our sign up form with embed. Then we have a pop-up form. Pop-up form means someone going to visit your website. For example, this is the website page, and if they scroll down somewhere, and they will see one pop-up, subscribe our newsletter, something like that. Then you can create pop-up form. Then we have a sign up landing page. If you not have WordPress, then you can use this feature, sign up landing page. This will be more easier. Go ahead, name of the landing page, and click on begin. Then you have to choose the template. What type of newsletter template you want. Lead generation, if you want to promote your product, you can choose one. Lead generation, grow your list. If you just want only simple newsletter, you can go with grow your list. Or lead generation. And you will able to also customize it as you want. Let me go ahead, click on lead generation, the simple one. Click on it, and powered by Shutterstock. And make sure you will use your own images to avoid copyright things, as these images are provided to you by Shutterstock. By clicking I accept, you agree this term and condition. Please read all the term and condition. Click I accept, and then you will able to customize your form, or landing page as you want. Okay, then go ahead to logo, click on edit block, and put your logo here. Click on your default logo, click on replace, and here it will bring you to file section in the Mailchimp. If you already have already files, then you have to just go ahead and select that one. If not, just click upload and upload your logo from your computer. Let me choose my logo. Okay, like that, but it look bigger. Go ahead, image display size to reduce this one, like that. Looks good. Then stay connected with your customers. You can change title, click edit, and you can change as you want. You can write down even description. Bring your mouse to description, click this small pencil icon, edit block, and write nice description here to attract more customers, attract your clients. Okay, then finally we have a sign up form. Looks good. Once you already done, click go ahead, save and close. You can review by clicking review. Okay, you can review for those for both desktop and mobile, like that. Looks beautiful. Okay, but let me go back. If I scroll down, there is a about us section. For example, you don't want all these sections, you want to only keep the upper area. Just go ahead to the image. Either you can delete, block, or edit block. Let me delete the images, click delete, and I want to keep it simple, but I want to add something more about us or about me. But if you also want to delete, you can delete it. Downside, you have a social media buttons. You can add it with edit block, and keep provide your Facebook URL. You can even choose from the list. If you want to add more, just go ahead, add another service, click on it, and select from the options like Spotify, RSS, email, WhatsApp, anything you can add here. Then save and close. You can check by scrolling down if there is something you are missing. Okay, if everything good, go ahead. You can review it again. For the color, you can change the color. Click on here, color. You can change this color for the footer section here. And if you click again within with the mouse, the social media icons, and you will see style option where you can change the background of particular section, like that. You have a border. If you wanted to add border, scroll down, you can change style and go ahead. Okay, let me review again. Yeah, looks good. You can change nice color here downside, or you can go with white. Okay, once you're done, go ahead, save and close. The final save and close. Click on it. Okay, and now this will give you link, page title, and site icon, social share review. If you're going to share this particular link on social media anywhere, how it will review, you can change the review, and this will be your URL to use to provide to the people to subscribe our newsletter. And you can change audience and tag. To change audience, just click on audience, or you can follow this left side audience section, and it will open audience tab, and you can create different audience for different work or different tags. Okay, as you can see here, we are seeing the tags. In particular tags, how many audience there is. Okay, let me go back. And once you already done everything, go ahead and publish. Okay, let's go to next one. Then we already done sign up form, and then we have a surveys. If you want to target or gather or manage your customer feedbacks, you can run surveys. You can turn reviews and requests into research based product or services. Okay, just go ahead, click get start, and you can start creating surveys. But if you want to use the template, you can use template for the surveys. Post purchase survey. Okay, where did you hear about us? You can send you can apply this survey, because sometime for the business people, and we want to hear from our clients or our audience how they use our service, and we want to know how they hear about us, like they search on Google, they search where they find us, right? Similar questions. Okay, or you can go ahead with create new survey, and here you can change everything you want. Just click on add, this small add button, and you can go with introduction, welcome tags, videos, images, radio buttons, check boxes. For example, you want to add where did you hear about us, where from, and you can go with check boxes, and you can provide them option like social media, YouTube, from friends, or any reference. They have to just check box. Range, open text, or just you want to add open text or email. Okay, contact information, contact block. Okay, you can go with try one by one all these. Introduction. In the introduction, you can just click on the particular section, video URL. Okay, you can put the placeholder for the videos, and let me go ahead the next one. Then you have a radio buttons, check boxes. Let me go with check boxes, and where you can ask a question, you have to provide your question, and the options, just to provide the options. How did you hear about us? Okay, you can option like a social media, and then you can add option by clicking. Okay, or just click on here the plus button to add one more option. Click on it, Google, next, somewhere else. Okay, like that. They have to choose from this. Then you can click continue to design. Okay, you can add one by one all these things. If you want to add more stuff, go back to questions here, and you want to add something downside, go ahead, click the plus icon, and you can next, you want to choose checkbox or open text, click on open text. In the open text, you can just ask anything. They have to enter the just answer with the text, right? Like that. Go ahead, add, and you can choose email address. Then they have to you can add questions related to emails. Then they have to provide the email downside, and you can even make all these options required or ask to subscribe. For example, this particular section, I want them to ask to subscribe. For example, they put their email address, but along with email address, I want to ask them if they like to subscribe it. Enable this one, and but in the first section I want to make it required. Click on the first section and click on required, and this will be required. Okay, this way you can create surveys. Okay, let me click on finish later. Okay, let's go ahead. Next, where we have create. Okay, now we have ads. We can create Google remarketing ads. Just name on your campaign, click on begin. Before you click on begin, let me show you here one thing. Select a connected site if you have connected site. Okay, if not, in your case, it might ask you to connect your website. Okay, you can see here, recapture your audience attention with the help of Google Use Ad Network. Okay, you can run marketing ad. Then we have a social post. If you want to share post across a multiple social media channels to increase the reach of your brand, then you can create a social post here. Okay, just enter the post name here and click begin. Okay, then you can choose where do you want to share your post. You want to share on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can choose the network where you want to share. Okay, then you can go ahead, click save and continue, and you can design your post here. Okay, you can write about text about your post, and you can add a downside image or creative assistance. It will help you with AI. You can browse it. With the browse, you can add any image here, or you can upload any video or anything else. Even you can use your Canva now. You can click in the content studio, click on Canva. You have to connect to your Canva. Okay, after you're done, you can save and continue, and you can schedule your post. You can click on creative assistance, and you have to provide custom design. In a few seconds, you have to provide your website. You can check out these things. Okay, for the browse section, you can set up if you want to add any media, right? Go ahead, save and continue. Okay, first it will ask you, please connect to your social media accounts. Okay, you need to connect it. Okay, then you have to go to, you will see small in the Facebook, small connect to Facebook. You have to click on it, connect to Instagram. Okay, you can directly connect your social medias here. Let's go to automation section. In the automation section, this is a huge list of automations, which some of them pre-built automations for you. Popular pre-built journeys like welcome, new content, contact. If you want to send automate welcome email, those who subscribe your newsletter. We just did this on newsletter, right? If someone subscribe our newsletter, they will get automate this email, welcome email, and then you have to go ahead, click on this journey, click on it, and you will look like something this. This is actually rule. You have to set rule. Okay, contact sign up to audience, right? So this will be the journey your audience will start from. They subscribe it, then they go to next step, send welcome email, automate. It will be automate system. Okay, but if you want to make If you want to use this journey, just go ahead, click on use this journey, and it will ask you to choose audience or automate choose one audience. Okay, if you have a multiple audience, it will allow you to select that one. Click on continue. Okay, and here in this step you can even create more rules if you want. If you want to, for example, first they subscribe our newsletter, right? And you can filter who can enter. Click on it. Okay, you can choose segments. Okay, you can select a first name or language. For example, I choose language, and only those will get welcome email who have a English audience, right? If they have Arabic, they will not get my welcome email. You can create different segments. You can add filter. You can change. You can choose another. Okay, like email date, you can add how contact require, email date added. Okay, you can look for all these segments. For example, email address, if I choose email address, you can, if the email address is ending with, for example, gmail.com or hotmail, you can choose segment for that. For example, if I choose here email address, and if I click the next is, if the email address is not or does not contain end with, you can, for example, end with, I wanna add here end with Gmail, so only those will get my email who has a Gmail in the ending, right? This way you can create different segments. If you want to add between any other journey or after welcome email, you want to set another journey for the email, just click on add journey point, and it will ask you to rule if, for example, if they open my email, then will they go receive another email or wait for trigger. If they after they receive welcome email, you can set wait for trigger, and or time delay. For example, you set 3 days after welcome email, there will be a 3-day time delay, they will get another email. You can set, you want to send them email, or for example, I want to just set a time delay. Click on it. After they get welcome email, they have a 1 week. We set 1 week. Okay, click save. After welcome email address, and after 1 week delay, they will get another email. You can set a journey here again. Click on it, and now in the actions, what action you want after 1 week, you can select you want to send another email, SMS, webhook, send survey in the email. For example, you send welcome email, and then after 1 week you want to ask survey questions. You just design, right? Then you have to select send survey in the email. Okay, you have unsubscribe, update contact, a lot more options you have, guys. Then after you're done, you can go ahead, click publish your journey. In the edit setting, welcome new content, the name, marketing object, you can set marketing object. If no object, like sell stuff, drive audience action, share information, you can select anything else. You can choose anything else. Even you can connect your Google Analytics to track this particular section, track clicks, track opens. Even you can track who opened this email, who really interested, and you can check how many clicks you get on the email. Everything you will able to track that things. Let me go back. Okay, now Once you already done automation, you will go to all journey. In the all journey, you will able to check how going, everything, how's going. You can choose the object, okay, any active or audience. You can select by audience. You can check all automation journey here, or you can create pre-built journey. Okay, you can create another pre-made journey here. And next, you wanna send welcome email for WooCommerce for your product. Then you have to select this one, welcome series, and you will see small WooCommerce and Shopify, all these icons. So this will be applicable. You will able to add those actions in those particular icons, services. You have a add Calendly event invitee to your audience if you have a client's business related. Okay, if someone have an appointment, and you can set automation for them. If they just appointment with you, and they will get email after 3 days, or reminder, or to ask opinions, you can set. Then you have to go Calendly. You have a lot more options, guys. And you have a nature leads recover. Most of in e-commerce website, in even WordPress, Shopify, we use recover abandoned carts. For example, if someone just cart the items they likely to purchase, but they did not purchase it, but just to keep in cart, right? And we can send them email, something like that. You have this product in your cart. If you would like to purchase, you are going to get 10% extra discount. These are our strategies we use in business to get sales, right? If you have a repeat customer for e-commerce, related to e-commerce, a lot of pre-built journeys you have. Re-engage content, support and manage content. For example, if they already done the survey, you can create another automation. Thank you for answering on the survey. This will be just an email. You can send order confirmation. All these things you can set in the automation, because this is not possible to go with one by one, because we have a huge list here. But if you want to ask about any particular pre-journey or segment, I will definitely do my best to create another video on those topics. For e-commerce, definitely we will create another video for Mailchimp automation for e-commerce business. Okay, because in this video we will just cover a Mailchimp features and settings, what they have. Okay, what segment, what is automation. Then we have, let's go ahead, we have audience section. We already check audience section, where you can check the growth, tags, and demographic. This will be paid feature. If you click on all contacts, you will able to check all your contacts, how many total contacts you have, okay, how many email subscribers, and you have if you want to add another contact, just you can directly add from here. Okay, you can add single subscriber, or you want to import it with a CSV file or any other file you have. Subscriber preferences, you can set subscriber preference. Okay, you can add group, different subscriber preference groups. Okay, add group to get more direct information on how your customer want to hear from you, right? Then we have a setting. In the setting we have an audience name and defaults, where you can create your audience name. If you want to change your audience name, if you want to enable reCAPTCHA, I will recommend please always enable the reCAPTCHA to secure your forms. Enable double opt-in, send content opt-in confirmation. If you want to send confirmation after they subscribe, you can directly enable these things. For example, if they subscribe my newsletter, they will get opt-in, send contact opt-in confirmation email. They will just confirmation email they subscribe our newsletter, right? Something like that. Then you have a campaign default. You can choose your default name here, from email, and default email subject. Okay, and if you wanna send manually, like new subscriber notification one by one, get quick email alert when subscriber join or leave this audience. Okay, if you want to add audience, then you can go ahead, manage audience. In the manage audience, you have options like view contacts. If someone unsubscribe email address, you can select, you can divide into groups. Okay, then you have in audience section, you have for example sign up emails. Okay, who sign up, the audience who sign up our emails, you can check the details of those. Tags. Okay, all this information about your customers or about your audience. You can even add single contact. Okay, let's go ahead to analytics. In analytics, we have here complete detail about performance, or any campaign performance, or like a survey, a sign up form, everything is here. Okay, you can check performance over the time, and it will divide it like email, SMS, different colors, and you will able to check like 87% people check and open my email address, and you will get all the details. How many messages or email has been sent, and you will see here all the detail. Even you can filter by week or month. You have information about revenue, delivery, how many email delivery has been done, the percentage, and delivery detail, email sent, how many email has been sent, delivered, or how many email bounced, unsubscribe, how many audience unsubscribe, like 50. Okay, how many email abuse report, 2 of them. You can check all the detail about your campaigns, about your performance. Let's go ahead to report section. In the report section, you will able to check all the reports about your audience and different campaigns you have running. For example, I have a landing page we just create, and you can check how many visit until now, how many clicks, and how many subscribe it. Even you can click view report to check particular campaign. Okay, then you will able to see overview, visit, clicks. Okay, this will help you to get more detail. Then we have a website tab. In the website tab, create your website with Wix. Okay, you can create website here directly from here. Start designing your site, start selling product, start offering service. Okay, connect your appointments. Okay, you can use this service. Let's go ahead to content. In the contents section, for where you have all your content files, uploads, everything will be here. Okay, for example, my files, where you have all your files you upload time to time. My product, if you have a product, upload product. Instagram, Giphy, and you have all your Giphy here. My logo. Okay, even you can upload your logo. This is actually related to brand or brand kit something. Okay, if you click on brand kit, you can create your brand kit. Okay, you can click on set up my own brand, where you will able to set your own colors, or if you already have a website, you can just put the URL and it will import your brand. It will get everything in just a second. Okay, or if you want to do it manually, just go ahead, set up my own brand, click on it, and it will give you options to set up your own brand kit. Add your logo first, then go ahead, choose your primary color. Even you can add color with the codes. Go ahead, click add color and put your code downside here. Okay, this will be the primary and secondary. Go ahead, click next, and then you can choose your font or upload your font. You can save your brand kit here. Okay, this will help you if you after you save your brand kit, if in future you want to create landing page or form, and it will automatically use your brand kit. You don't need to do it manually or choose your fonts, choose your colors. It will just auto apply. Let's go to integration section, where you can integrate different services to the Mailchimp. Bring your tools together to make the most of your data, like Zapier, WooCommerce, Shopify. For the WooCommerce or WordPress, let me show you also. So this is my WordPress website, and I already have this MC4WP. Let me go ahead to in the plugin, add new plugin, and search for Mailchimp. And you will find two plugins, one for Mailchimp for WordPress and another Mailchimp for WooCommerce if you selling product or e-commerce website. Okay, then you have a Mailchimp list, subscribe form. Okay, I will recommend you can choose this one, Mailchimp for WordPress. Okay, after you activate this one, go ahead to your plugin MC4WP, click on Mailchimp, and here in the Mailchimp dashboard it will ask you to connect. In your case it will show disconnect, and you have to connect it. Okay, how to connect it? You need to provide API key. Okay, other side, in the same browser, if you already log in your Mailchimp, go ahead, click on get your API key here, open into new tab. It will auto open that particular account API page from the Mailchimp. Make sure you already log in. Okay, where you have to scroll down and your API keys, or just create new API key. Here, create a key, provide the key and save changes, and it will auto get your email audience list. How many list found, it will show here. Then you can go ahead to the form section. In the form, just you need to, if you are already good with this email, and this is review here, go ahead, copy this code here, this one. This short code you can use. This is same thing we add HTML here. We add this HTML, right? Because we use that time HTML, direct HTML. But now this will give you short code, small code. You need to put this code anywhere in your website. If you're using Elementor or Gutenberg, or just you have to click on add elements and search for short code. Short code. Let me delete this HTML or let me put it downside, and you will find a short code. Just to drag it here. In the short code, just to copy your code, this code. Use the short code here, this one. Copy the short code within the box and put it into the short code. As you can see, now it display with more nice colors. Okay, but you can change the setting in the appearance. In the form style, I will recommend to go with the basic or theme style. It will auto pick the color from your theme. In the setting, you can if you want to subscribe the list, if someone yeah, definitely I want they subscribe to the list. Okay, use opt-in, yes or no. We strongly suggest keeping the opt-in enable, yeah, because if someone going to subscribe, put the email address subscribe, it will auto count in the list. Update existing subscriber, no, I don't want to upgrade. Again, you can choose the tag for particular, or you can like something, write my website or your website name here. So you will understand with the tags what type of audience is this, and the tags you will able to see your website name. Hide form after successful sign up, after they done sign up, and it will be auto hided. Click save changes. Okay, in this plugin, what we have else, we have integrations. If you want to add integration, you can check out these things. Comment form, registration form. Okay, so what else we have here in the discover? Let me go back to discover, and you can check out category by category here. Okay, you have WordPress, gravity form. If you want to link with the gravity form, you will able to link it. Just click on those things and click on get started. It will give you guide. In the integration, if you click on manage, you will able to check how many platform you're connected with. We just connected with the plugin on the WordPress, and you will able to see here. Okay, for example, WordPress, we just connected to WordPress. You can click on it. Okay, even you can connect it from here. Provide site URL, and you will able to get the code, custom code. You need to put that code anywhere on your website. You can read out all other information here. Okay, so in next tutorial, what we will do, please let me know in comments in what topic of Mailchimp you want next video, so I will do my best to create another video on particular topic. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate that.